setting up your own AI chatbot in just 10 minutes is entirely possible, especially with the availability of pre-built solutions and easy-to-use APIs. By leveraging powerful tools like OpenAI's GPT models or platforms like Dialogflow, you can quickly build a chatbot without deep knowledge of AI or programming. In this guide, I'll show you how to get a basic AI chatbot up and running using OpenAI's GPT API. Step 1. Choose a chatbot platform. The first step is to choose the platform or service that you'll use to build your chatbot. There are several options, depending on your needs. OpenAI GPT, like Chatgpt, best for quick setup and high-quality language understanding. Dialogflow, by Google, ideal for integrating with Google services and more complex workflows. Microsoft Bot Framework, a powerful solution with many integration options. Raza, an open-source option that allows more customization but requires more configuration. For this tutorial, we'll focus on OpenAI GPT as it provides a fast and intuitive way to set up a chatbot with minimal effort. Step 2. Sign up for API access. If you're using OpenAI's GPT, you will first need access to the API. Visit OpenAI's website at https://openai.com and create an account. Once signed up, navigate to the API section and generate an API key. This key will allow your code to communicate with the GPT model and get responses for the chatbot. Save the API key somewhere safe since it's essential for making requests to the API. Step 3. Set up a development environment. For building a basic chatbot, you'll need a coding environment. You can either write and run the code locally or use an online coding platform like Replit. Explanation: curl. We use curl in PHP to make HTTP requests. It allows us to send a post request to the OpenAI API, similar to what Axios does in the JavaScript example. API key: you replace your _API_key_ here with your actual OpenAI API key. Curl _setup options: these options define how curl behaves, such as sending a post request, including headers, and sending JSON data. JSON encoding: the JSON_encode function converts the PHP array to a JSON string, which is then sent in the request body. How to run the PHP script: save the PHP code into a file, example, chatbot.php. Make sure PHP is installed on your system. You can download it from https://www.php.net if needed. Run the script via the command line bash copy code php chatbot.php. The chatbot will respond to the input message and print the output in the terminal. Additional features for enhancement: integration on website. You can integrate on any website. You can also install a WordPress plugin at https://wordpress.org/plugin/shortcode-chatgpt-openai and use it on website using a shortcode. Integration with messaging apps. You can integrate your chatbot with platforms like Slack, Telegram, or even Facebook Messenger by using their respective APIs. This would allow users to interact with the chatbot within these apps. Natural language processing (NLP) enhancements. By using frameworks like Dialogflow or Raza, you can build more advanced chatbots that can handle complex conversation flows, intent recognition, and even perform tasks like booking or scheduling.